Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K2. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with smartphone. In the beginning, on the side of your keyboard, switch to Bluetooth connection, and if you are using Android smartphone, switch it to Android. If you are using iOS smartphone, switch it to iOS via this switch. Next, enter Bluetooth pairing mode using FN button and 1, 2 or 3. Once the Bluetooth mode is enabled, go to Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and select KEYCHRON K2. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.